Welcome to another tutorial in Java programming. Today we will show you how you can configure Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE. So first of all, start the Eclipse IDE and open your dynamic web project. So go to the servers tab and you can see there is no server here. I will download the Tomcat 10 for Windows in the zip version from this website tomcat.apache.org/download-10.cgi. After visiting this website, you will be able to see the option to download the Tomcat zip file. So this is the zip file, tar file, and this is for Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, 32-bit. So I will just download the zip version. I have already downloaded the zip file and placed in the d:/Apache Tomcat directory. Now right click and extract here. So this is a directory. So this is the directory of Apache Tomcat 10.1.28 in my computer. Next I will go to the Eclipse and click on the servers tab, then click on no servers are available. Click this link to create new server. Click here and in the Apache list select version 10. Select the Apache 10.1 server. Click next and here you have to specify the Tomcat directory. You can browse and to this directory and select folder, then click next and here you can select the dynamic web application that you want to deploy. Click next and then finish. So this way you can see the Tomcat is added here. Right click and start. So after clicking the start, Tomcat server is started. After adding the server, we will create a new application, dynamic web application, and run it on the Tomcat. Dynamic web project. Click next, next, and finish. Under the source main web app, we have to create one JSP file. Index.jsp, click next and finish, and we can write hello. Save this file. Okay, to run it, now right click, then run as on server and select the server. Click next and you can see the web app is selected into the configured list. So now click finish and it is asking to restart. Yes, restart. And web app is started and this is displayed here. Now if you want to run this application, right click, run on server, then select the server, click next Now this application is also deployed and finish. Click on restart server. So this application is also running and this application is also running. So this way you can configure Tomcat server in Eclipse IDE. And in this tutorial I explained you how you can download the Tomcat 10.1 and configure into the Eclipse IDE. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.